I'm going to attempt to make a club sandwich. We have toasted bread on both sides. I put just a little butter on one side. I'm going to put spread a little mayonnaise.
What else goes? Can you put mustard on it?
Yeah, you can put any, but this is the normal mayonnaise. But you can put mustard, whatever you want on here. Barbecue sauce, mustard.
Can I see that?
Oh yeah. So there's that one. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 of them.
How many lettuce you want?
Okay, I got 2. Two mayonnaise. We're gonna put some lettuce down. About 2 of these. You kind of want to keep everything in the bread. It's just one of them sandwiches. All right. We're gonna put some bacon on here. Well, let's put the onions and tomatoes first. Get the vegetables together. So we'll put some onions. Now, onions are not original with this sandwich, but I love onions on my sandwiches. Tomatoes are. We'll put some 2 thinly sliced tomatoes on here. We're going to put some bacon on here. We're going to put some cheese on here. And then we're going to put some ham. We got 3 very thin slices of ham. Rebecca bought me some deli
The sub kit.
Yeah, a little sub kit. Then we have some, I think this is turkey. So we have 3 slices of turkey.
It was pre-portioned for sandwiches.
Yep. We're going to get a little salt and pepper.
See, I would have put that on the mayonnaise so it would stick. But that's just me.
But she don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, dude.
You fold this over and it's on the mayonnaise. See, she didn't know what I was doing. So we're going to take another piece of brick toast, put some mayonnaise on it. Now I pre-cooked all this just so it didn't take some, so you can just watch me build it. And you can mash your meats up, you know, put different meats on there. But this is called a clubhouse sandwich. They say it was invented in New York at some kind of a club. So they called it a club sandwich. I'm going to put some more lettuce on here. I'm going to get my onions. My tomatoes. Actually, I should have took that and put it on top of that, which I will. I'm kind of deconstructing. I just actually want, it'll be easier to put the lid on if I put it on like that. So, I still got my salt and pepper stuck to my mayonnaise like Rebecca wanted. Cheese. And we're going to put our. Now this is a big sandwich, everybody. I'm going to show you what to do to hold it together and how to, you actually have to cut it. This is normally served with French fries. We're getting our ham on here. Alright, we'll put our top piece on and we want to push down on that pretty good. And then you want to take your fancy toothpicks gonna stick one down in here. You're gonna stick one down in here, here, and one down in here. Get your plate. Club sandwiches are cut in quarters, just in case you didn't know that.
Pretty triangle quarters.
And you could put an egg on. The French put roasted chicken, thin slices of roasted chicken, and they use boiled eggs. There, my friends, is a beautiful, beautiful club sandwich. Bacon. This is real good with the addition. Like I said, I love onions, and normally the club sandwich don't have it. That has everything else. I put it on there. And
I would
that,
have put Dijon mustard on it.
Dijon. But this gave it the perfect kick to it. I mean, it's melted good. This is no small sandwich, everybody.
And that's no small mouth, everybody. You can quote me on that.
That's good.
A good, quick weeknight supper that doesn't take that long to prepare. You could do the bacon in the microwave if you wanted to. You could do it in the oven.
She came home from work, and not long after she got ready, got in her evening clothes, I had it done.
That's right. I went outside, played with the dogs, came back in, and there was bacon.
And we're basically going, I'm going to take mine to work tomorrow. I'm going to eat this one little corner.
I'm going to eat mine.
And I'm going to have mine for lunch. That's why you toast this bread. It'll last longer for you. You can have it later down the road. But if you just put regular bread on there or just toasted one side, not going to work. You got to do both sides. So we want to thank all of our subscribers, all of our everybody who watched and commented. And it's getting late. We're getting sleepy.
That's right. We want
to thank you, people. That's all.
You.
Thank you. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.
No subscribers during the weekdays. I had to kick all y'all out last weekend.
I was making way too much noise.
Yeah. Started eating my chips. I didn't like that.